See ya.
What's up, everybody? I got a pair of Cole Haans here. Not mine, but they're nice and dirty. So we're gonna clean them up real good. Gonna give this guy the Dornstar treatment here. Take these laces out. Man, these even smell bad. You know when you got that one neighbor that always cooks a certain type of food that always kind of smells a certain way? That's what these smell like. We're gonna do this guy a favor and soak these laces. Got that advanced sneaker solution in there. A couple squirts will do you good. It's safe to get on your hands, so you don't have to worry about wearing gloves. Check these out. We're going to use the soft bristle brush. I already got the solution nice and mixed in there. Let's clean them up. This brush is nice and soft. We're going to scrub it on there, let it soak, and do its magic. You can get it on suede, leather. It's totally safe. While that's soaking, let's attack this other one here. If you guys are looking for easy to use sneaker cleaner stuff, this is actually pretty good. If you want to be the best, you got to use the best products. And that ain't no lie. We're going to adjust the size of these shoe trees. This is how you do it. A little bit more. Maybe a couple more notches. We'll go out to there to be safe. Fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then pop it in like that. Keeps it nice and tight. So if you got some more dirt that you need to clean out that you didn't get done the first time, check that out. Man, that stuff is easy to use. I can't believe it. I guess that's why all the best use this product. And we'll have to go over that with a little white polish. We'll do that on another time. But look at that. Nice and clean. Check out this other one. Not too bad. Still got some of that yellowing, which can be attacked with a couple other products. Check out the RESHOEVN8R YouTube page for more sneaker cleaning tricks and tips. And say what's up to Vic Almighty. Well, thanks for watching. Let's do a little something fun here. Since I'm having so much fun, I like to share some fun. So, how about the first person that comments and says "Shine Boy" in the comments section must live in the United States. I'm sorry for everybody else that isn't going to be a part of this, but for those people who want to win something free, you can choose between both these fabulous products. I'll mail them to you. So just comment "Shine Boy." First person to comment, get some free stuff from RESHOEVN8R. Thank you guys. We'll see you next week. Take these home and launder them, let them dry. They'll be clean as a whistle. See you next time. Thank you.